Hello, Cosmic Person. My name is Jana, and I'm the convener of the community of the Cosmic Person. It's been a lovely day here in Adelaide today. It hasn't been far from my mind all day, though, what the Earth system is doing in other parts of the world. It's the 10th of September, 2017, and Hurricane Irma, has made her way across many of the islands in the Caribbean and is heading towards my home state of Florida. I'm from the other side of the state, and that area of Pensacola looks at the moment not to be in the path of Irma, but there are some 6 million people evacuated from the path of Irma in Florida and some from Georgia. So places that I've known and loved, those special places that help to make us who we are, those landscapes that shape and form us, those are certainly on my mind tonight, as so many of them are there in Florida. I especially enjoy Key West, and I have a favorite poem. It's called The Idea of Order at Key West. It's by Wallace Stevens. And the idea of any order at Key West at the moment is there wouldn't be much order there. It's a lovely poem. Doesn't really seem to have direct connection to Key West, or even the idea of order. But that is the poet's license, isn't it? Here's one stanza from this beautiful, haunting poem. It was her voice that made the sky acutest at its vanishing. She measured to the hour its solitude. She was the single artificer of the world in which she sang. And when she sang, the sea, whatever self it had, became the self that was her song, for she was the maker. Then we, as we beheld her striding there alone, knew that there never was a world for her except the one she sang and, singing, made. Certainly, Key West is a place sung by the sea. This stanza of this beautiful poem talks about the sky acutest at its vanishing. It's a massive tradition in Key West to everybody pile out from the hotels and pubs and tourist shops and fishing boats and whatever else anyone's been doing and stop and celebrate the sunset each night. I hope that will be possible again for the residents of Key West sometime sooner rather than later, but we all await to see what's happening in those places. Wherever you are, take care of yourself as you close off and reflect on last week and prepare for the beginning of a new week and prepare for a beginning of a new week with a focus on ecozoic living, learning to be present to the planet in a mutually beneficial manner in these very challenging times, and do what you can to take care of the planet.